If your salsa timing is stuck, it's not because you don't have rhythm. It's because you weren't taught timing in a way that gave you the full foundation for salsa musicality. A lot of salsa dancers are taught steps first and music ability last. They're taught patterns and counts, but never taught how to feel the pulse, how to understand song structure of salsa, and how to connect their movements to the actual rhythms of salsa music. My work here at Social Dance Mastery is to help dancers build true music ability. This is what we call integrated embodied musicality. I help salsa dancers understand salsa timing on a deeper level, whether that's on one, on two, instrumental tumbaos, or just understanding how to train salsa timing in a way that sticks. The real transformation happens when you start to fill in the gaps of your musical foundation as a salsa dancer. And when this happens, things start to click into place. Social dancing becomes more grounded and natural. Partner connection becomes easier. You start to feel the music more, and timing becomes something you embody instead of something you chase. So this is a big treat for you, and I hope you're excited and inspired and motivated, because in this playlist, I'm gonna guide you through the core foundations that you need to understand salsa timing from the ground up. You clicked on this video because you're ready. You're ready to fix your salsa timing. You're ready to fill in the gaps of your musical foundation. To get the most out of this series, I want you to interact with all of these videos. Comment below, watch this series in order, and if you want guided support, you can join our school community, Social Dance Mastery, or you can check out all of our courses and programs. All of the information is below. I can't wait to share all of this information with you. Let's begin.